The air conditioning sellers don't want you to know about this. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transform your common fan into an efficient homemade air conditioning, perfect for hot days. In addition, it is very easy to make and requires materials that you probably already have at home, so you won't spend much. Now, let's see what we will need to carry out this project. Take one of the bottles and, with a knife, make a hole in it. This will give you a kind of funnel, like the one shown on the screen. Repeat the process with the other bottle, doing the same to get another funnel. Then, with the screwdriver previously heated in the stove or with a lighter, drill one of the sides of each bottle. This will facilitate the insertion of the hooks that you will create later and will allow the cold of the ice to pass through them. Take one of the perforated bottles and place the clips as hooks. Open them a little if necessary, since I have made the holes below. Fold them to adjust them and hang them on one of the rear sides of the fan where the motor is. Repeat the process with the other bottle and hang it on the other side of the motor, as shown on the screen. Finally, all that remains is to fill the bottles. Use gel packs to cool silicone ice and normal ice. Try to fill them as much as possible to extend the cooling time. Once filled, they will look more or less as shown in the video. Now you can enjoy a fan that, when turned on, will distribute fresh air thanks to the threads that absorb the cold of the ice. This trick does not affect at all the operation of the fan, and you can also take advantage of the water resulting from various activities, such as watering plants or using it in the bathroom. I hope you liked this useful tip to combat the heat. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to be the first to receive our videos.